Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch with an iPhone. We'll focus on the most common and effective method, ensuring you can easily pair your devices. This guide will walk you through each step, from preparing your watch and phone to confirming a successful connection. By the end, you'll be ready to enjoy all the features your smartwatch has to offer, seamlessly integrated with your iPhone experience. Let's get started. Before we dive into the connection, it's crucial to prepare both your smartwatch and iPhone. First, make sure both devices have plenty of battery life to avoid interruptions. Next, head to the App Store on your iPhone and download the specific app designed for your smartwatch model. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your iPhone and put your smartwatch into its pairing mode. These simple steps set the stage for a successful connection. Now let's connect them. Open the companion app you just downloaded on your iPhone. The app will guide you through finding your smartwatch. You'll typically see a list of available devices. Select yours. A unique pairing code will then appear on both your iPhone and smartwatch. Confirm they match. Finally, the app will ask for certain permissions, like access to notifications or health data. Grant these to ensure full functionality. You're almost there. Once you've confirmed the pairing code and granted permissions, your devices will begin to synchronize. This might take a few moments, so be patient. After synchronization, test the connection by sending a notification to your watch or trying to control music from it. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your iPhone and smartwatch often resolves them. For persistent problems, refer to your smartwatch's official support resources. Congratulations, your devices are now connected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.